Looking for an amazing 4K drone? We've got you covered. In this video, we rank the top 10 best 4K drones on the market in 2024. From professional filmmaking drones to hobbyist quadcopters, these are the highest quality 4K camera drones you can buy right now. So without further ado, let's begin. The DJI Mini 3 Pro earns its spot as one of the top 4K cameras drones thanks to its compact, travel-friendly design and host of creative, intelligent flight modes. Weighing under 250 grams, this mini quadcopter doesn't require FAA registration in the US, yet it packs an impressive 34 minutes of flight time and advanced safety features like obstacle avoidance sensors. The 3-axis gimbal delivers buttery smooth footage, and vertical shooting opens up creative possibilities. New Master Shots mode lets you create epic shareable videos with just a tap. Quick transfer makes it easy to get footage on your phone. Whether you're a hobbyist or pro content creator looking to travel light and capture stunning 4K aerial views, the Mini 3 Pro will exceed expectations. It's an ideal flying camera packed with smarts. With its lightweight yet durable design, the Holy Stone HS710 packs impressive performance into a convenient, travel-friendly drone. Its stabilized 4K camera delivers stunningly detailed aerial footage thanks to the UHD resolution and wide 120-degree field of view. 5 GHz FPV transmission means you get a live HD view from the drone. Packed with intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Tap Fly, the HS710 makes aerial filming easy for beginners and pros alike. Obstacle avoidance and GPS hold the drone steady outdoors. Optical flow positioning keeps it hovering smoothly indoors too. The HS710 offers up to 25 minutes of flight time, more than enough for capturing epic 4K videos and photos from new perspectives. All these features make the Holy Stone HS710 one of the top-ranked 4K camera drones available today. DJI takes first-person view drone flying to the next level with the aptly named DJI FPV. This speed demon lives up to its billing as an immersive, exhilarating flying experience thanks to the 4K 60 FPS video, 150-degree field of view, and compatibility with DJI FPV goggles. The footage captured is insanely crisp and detailed even during high-speed maneuvers. Safety features like obstacle avoidance sensors and smart return to home give you peace of mind. The new S-Mode hybrid flight mode makes it easy for beginners to get cinematic FPV-style footage. With its fresh perspective, intuitive controls, and thrilling FPV experience, the DJI FPV offers an entirely new way to film videos from the air. If you're looking for a unique 4K drone that can keep up with the fastest action, this adrenaline-pumping flyer is it. The DJI FPV claims its spot as one of the most innovative drones out now. Weighing in at under 249 grams, the ultra-portable iFlight Defender 25 offers a registration-free 4K flying experience perfect for travel. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame fitted with prop guards makes the Defender 25 an ideal companion for bold FPV adventures near and far. Equipped with DJI's O3 transmission system, this tiny quadcopter punches above its weight, capturing stabilized 4K video with an immersive 155-degree field of view. Footage stays smooth thanks to the vibration-dampened camera mount. The quick-release 550 mAh battery delivers decent flight times for a drone this size. With its durable protectors, optimized landing gear, and intuitive design focused on ease of use, the Defender 25 removes barriers so you can focus on the freedom of flight. If you want an ultralight drone that delivers big on performance, the iFlight Defender 25 is a top choice that claims a high spot in our 4K drone rankings. With its iconic all-gray design, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic lives up to its name, delivering legendary reliability and imaging prowess. At the heart sits an impressive 1x2-inch Hasselblad camera, powered by a large 4x3 CMOS sensor. Expect stunningly detailed aerial photos and cinema-quality 4K 60 FPS video. Obstacle avoidance sensors in all directions provide a safety net when flying in complex environments. You get a super smooth feed within a 15-kilometer range thanks to O3 transmission. And the long 46 minutes max flight time means more time to capture the magic in the air. For creators who need professional-level aerial imaging in a trusted compact package, the Mavic 3 Classic is a top choice. DJI refinement makes operating the drone intuitive, even for beginners. If you want pro-inspired creative potential in a portable powerhouse, the Mavic 3 Classic secures its place among the best 4K camera drones available. The Potensic Dreamer Pro lives up to its name, delivering pro-level aerial imaging in an easy-to-fly package. At the heart sits a 3-axis stabilized 4K camera powered by a 1x3-inch CMOS sensor for ultra-crisp cinema-quality video and 16-megapixel stills. The dedicated gimbal keeps footage smooth and steady even while maneuvering. A 2-kilometer HD video transmission range means you can explore farther and create epic wide scenic shots. Packed with intuitive flight modes like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Tap Fly, the Dreamer Pro opens up creative possibilities for beginners and experts alike. Durable construction and a robust brushless motor provide power and stability and winds up to gentle breezes. If you want pro-inspired 4K aerial footage without the hefty price tag, the Potensic Dreamer Pro punches above its weight to earn its spot among top-ranked drones. DJI takes immersive FPV drone flight to new heights with AVAT. Combining goggles and a motion controller unlocks an incredibly intuitive flying experience. Just tilt your wrist and AVAT zips through gaps and around corners with cinematic 4K footage captured by the stabilized camera and 1x1.7-inch sensor. Weighing only 410 grams, this agile flyer fits in your palm and bag for adventure. Fly boldly knowing the prop guards handle minor crashes. O3 transmission gives a crisp, low-latency HD view up to 10 km away. With up to 18 minutes of flight time, AVAT lets you explore farther. DJI's expertise delivers easy, exhilarating FPV flights for all. If you want to experience the freedom of effortless flight from an exhilarating new perspective, AVAT is the perfect drone companion. It flies high in our 4K drone rankings for its innovative immersive flight capabilities. The Holy Stone HS720G punches above its weight class, delivering silky, smooth, stabilized 4K aerial footage in a smart, compact package. Its lightweight, foldable body with 26 minutes max flight time makes it the ultimate travel companion. While easy for beginners with auto takeoff and landing, it also boasts advanced features like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Tap Fly for capturing pro-quality shots on the go. The stabilized 2-axis gimbal isolates the camera from vibrations for crisp videos and 12-megapixel stills, even while maneuvering. GPS hold and optical flow positioning keep it locked in place outdoors and indoors. Plus, FAA remote ID compliance offers peace of mind. If you want pro-level 4K footage from a portable, user-friendly drone, at its affordable price, the feature-packed HS720G is hard to beat, earning it a top spot in our drone rankings. The Ruko U1 Pro makes capturing stunning 4K aerial views easy, even for first-time flyers. Its compact portable design is ready to toss in a bag for outdoor adventures near and far. GPS-assisted flight modes like Tap Fly and Automatic Return take the guesswork out of piloting, so you can focus on filming. The remote has an extended range for exploring farther horizons. With a crisp live HD feed and smooth footage from the 3-axis gimbal 4K camera, you'll get professional-looking videos and 12-megapixel photos. Swapping the two included batteries doubles your fun. Plus, the U1 Pro is FAA remote ID compliant for peace of mind. For a fuss-free flying experience and pro-quality shots made simple, the beginner-friendly U1 Pro is a top choice. Its reliability, performance, and smart features earn it a high spot among the best 4K camera drones out there. Weighing under 250 grams, the Potensic Atom SE delivers big performance in an ultra-portable package. Its foldable body slips into any bag for adventures near and far, while level 5 wind resistance keeps it steady in the skies. The stabilized 4K camera powered by a Sony sensor captures incredibly smooth, vivid footage and 12-megapixel stills during flight. Innovative Shake Vanish EIS further isolates the footage from vibration. With 62 minutes of total flight time, exploring to get that perfect shot is no problem. GPS-enabled flight modes make maneuvering a cinch even for beginners, while advanced pilots can push the speed in sport mode. The Atom SE brings pro-level 4K aerial filming within reach. For its smart design, extended flight times, and high-end imaging in an ultra-compact drone, the Atom SE earns its spot among the top-ranked camera drones. So those were our picks for the 10 amazing 4K drones you could get for yourself right now. Which one of these drones would you like to get for yourself, and why? Do let us know. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.